Hey, it's Todd from Sybil coming at you again with another science activity pack video. Today we're going to be looking at our 6th grade solar system unit. This is what the bag looks like that goes home to the kids. There are the components inside the bag. Don't forget to check the video description for additional resources before we get started. All right, we have 2 activities we're going to look at. The first one is Phases of the Moon, and the second one is the Rocket Engineering Challenge. So we'll start with the rocket activity. This one is an engineering design challenge where students are going to launch a rocket and try and deliver a payload into space. So the first part of the activity is learning how to safely launch the rocket. For that, they're going to need a 4-ounce cup, a rocket body that has a pom-pom glued to the end. That is the payload that they're going to have to deliver into space later. A cap to put on the end of the rocket, a graduated cup for water, and then an effervescent tablet that we suggest they break up into 4 pieces for this exploration. To launch the rocket, they first have to put in a small amount of water in the tube. And then put the effervescent tablet in there, but have it so that it's not touching the water. This will need a little bit of practice for the students. They need to then put the cap on. Again, trying to keep the effervescent tablet from falling. Once they turn it over, put it in the cup, and then they should go take cover. Step back a few feet. There we go. So this rocket didn't go very high. After students have done a few trials, they'll start to launch rockets that look like this. So for each activity, or each time they do shoot a rocket, they need to clean and rinse the rocket out, and they can keep using it over and over again. Once again, they have plenty of effervescent tablet. For the next activity, Phases of the Moon, we're going to ask the students to start by collecting data on what the moon looks like over the course of a month. They're going to fill out a moon log where they're going to look at the moon once a day and draw what it looks like and write down the date and the time. For this activity, we suggest you start when the moon is in the full moon stage. It's the easiest one to see. If the students miss a day or two, don't worry about it. Have them collect as much data as they can. After they've done that, then we're going to simulate the phases of the moon. And the way we're going to do that is by using our styrofoam ball. First thing students have to do is take a styrofoam ball, take a sharp pencil, and push it into the styrofoam ball so it's on a stick. The next thing students are going to have is a dark room with a lamp that they can remove the shade. Once they have a dark room with the lamp in the middle, the light bulb is going to serve as the sun. The styrofoam ball is going to serve as the moon. The directions in the student guide explain how to position themselves so they can see the different phases of the moon. And this is what that looks like. Have fun with these activities. Reach out if you have any questions or comments, and let us know how things are working out. Thank you.